Patricia MacNeill, and I'm really happy to be here. I'm a Kundalini yoga and meditation teacher, and I'm a registered holistic nutritionist, soon to be a clinical hypnotherapist, a shamanic practitioner. My soul's purpose is to do this work. But Kundalini yoga and meditation, I've been teaching, I'm in my 8th year, and I love it very much. It's a very powerful technology. It works very, very quickly to unblock energy in the body. So I love doing this work because it's fast. And the topic of tonight's class is the chakras. Nanak, the first guru of the Sikh tradition, says, master your mind and you conquer the world. And it's true. And is he talking about the entire world? Who knows? But if one could just think about conquering their own personal world, and perhaps even in nowadays changing the word conquer to transforming or being with or having some sort of mastery over your own life, so you're not a slave to your mind. And science is just so cool because now they're proving what yogis have been saying for thousands of years, which is that you can change the neural pathways, you can change the behaviors, you can change the relationships, you can change how neurons fire. So we know that we don't have to be the patterns that we learned in our families. We don't have to be in our anger, in our frustration, or in our repression, or in all the junk that we carry all the time. We don't have to. There's a way that we can hold all of it and transform. And this is the gift of understanding the chakras, because then it's like learning a language. It's like having a second language. You know what's being communicated to you.